another one. Where's you guys' mask? None of them got masks. Oh, they never did. That's why California's got spiking out of control. Wuhan, China, COVID-19 coronavirus. It's out of control here. What's this guy doing? Walking diagonally across the intersection? He's a nice little Bigfoot. Jim, the security guy over there is getting the mask down under his mouth. He's got a real nice chin guard. Doesn't do any good to put it under your chin there, lady. No mask, no mask, no mask, no mask, and one mask. Oh boy. That ain't making you stronger.
In Minneapolis, Portland, Seattle, New York.
Where's all you guys' masks?
Joe Biden hasn't even spoken about this or condemned it once.
Spiking, COVID-19 spiking! No mask for the mom, or the dad, or the poor little boy. Good job. No mask and no mask.
I do not believe that we can handle
Where's your mask?
a spike in cases and it can have an impact on our healthcare system.
You guys are a bunch of Bigfoots. This is not where you cross the street. Shoot, here comes another Bigfoot. What's that guy doing? Not to get hit by that other car? That's another non-masked Bigfoot. Watch out, this guy might get it. He might want to cross here. A couple of maskless Bigfoots right here.
more inclusive to those who don't fully identify as male or female. Researchers note that younger college-educated Spanish-speaking women are more...
Go, baby! You're quick, all right. I saw you coming. Bicycles go straight on red there? Okay, now the bicycles go straight on red. Here, I don't need this yet. Or I mean, I'll get back to you. Where's that guy coming from?
That's why they.
And now he's going to make a U-turn there? He's crazy. Yeah, that's a good U-turn there. What the heck? Uh-oh. Watch out, Alex. Just stop. Whoa. I think this guy's lost. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's the Maserati that I just asked about.
Nice, buddy.
He was flying through the parking lot. Oh, watch out there, buddy. Oh, you know what the hell? Watch out, that red car's going to hit somebody.
Nice job, buddy. Trying to get me.
The side lane.
Well, I'm just saying, here's one of the options. Since we're being National City, we could go to Jollibee.
Yes. Yeah.
That's code word for
Yes.
yeah, I want it, but I don't want to be the one to tell you I want it. And I don't want you to blame me for getting it when you get fat. And that's what it's up to you means.
It's
Remember that
true.
when you're married.
It's true.